And now shifting focus from Maharashtra to Jharkhand. After phase 1 on November 13th, Jharkhand is today voting in phase 2 of assembly elections. Out of the total 81 seats in the assembly, votes are being cast for 38 seats today. 43 seats were contested in phase 1 of the elections, and the results will be declared on 23rd of November. In the high-stakes battle between NDA and the India bloc, the Soren family is facing a crucial challenge. Chief Minister Hemant Soren and wife Kalpana Soren both are in fray today. Hemant Soren is contesting from JMM's stronghold of Barhet in the Santhal Pargana region. He has held the seat since 2014 and is now seeking to continue his political dominance. Gande, Jamtara and Jama, Dumka, Deoghar are other high-profile seats, and key issues in the state include unemployment, development, economy as well as infiltration.
अब जाकर के खुद अब मुआयना करना चाहूंगी कि सब लोग हमारे मतदाता हैं, चाहे पुरुष हो, महिला हो, बुजुर्ग हो, युवा हो, सब लोग निकलें और अपना मतदान का जरूर प्रयोग करें। मैं अपनी जीत को लेकर इसलिए आश्वस्त हूं क्योंकि मेरा कार्यकाल बहुत छोटा रहा, 4 से 5 महीने का, और 4 से 5 महीने में मैंने गांडे के लिए जितना किया है, मैं ये समझती हूँ कि उतने कम वक्त में मैंने पूरी अपनी मेहनत लगा के पूरा जीतोड़ मेहनत किया है और लोगों को वो सुविधाएं दी हैं जो उनका हक है। पूरी ताकत से हमारी आधी आबादी हेमंत सोरेन जी को और खास करके हमारे महागठबंधन को पूरे ताकत के साथ मजबूती दे रही हैं।
How important it is keeping in mind the Santhal Pargana region and a litmus test for all the key leaders as far as JMM and BJP both are concerned.
चुनाव हमेशा से महत्वपूर्ण ही होता है और संथाल परगना ये राजनीति का, झारखंड की राजनीति का केंद्र बिंदु है। पूरे देश भर में मुस्लिम 4% बढ़े, यहाँ 15% बढ़े। तो जब विस्थापन, पलायन, रोजगार ये बड़ा मुद्दा है, उसमें ये कौन लोग हैं? ये सभी बांग्लादेशी घुसपैठी हैं।
क्या इस मामले को लेकर आपने चुनाव आयोग में शिकायत की है या करने वाले हैं?
जितने ट्वीट हैं सब में इलेक्शन कमीशन को मैंने टैग किया है। हेमंत सोरेन मेरे ही लोकसभा गोड्डा का जो एक जिला है उसके एमएलए हैं। वहां पीने का पानी नहीं है, लोगों को मकान नहीं है रहने के लिए, और वो जो है घोटाले में जेल गए और अभी बेल पर हैं।
Well, yes, it will be a very interesting election as far as this particular year of Jharkhand Assembly election is concerned. And in fact, this year we'll also have to see that does the trend breaks because it's as till now there has been a trend that no party has been able to form a majority on its own. No party is able to form the government on its own. There always has been an alliance. And also, if we talk about the chief minister's term, then except Babulal Marandi of the BJP, no chief minister has been able to complete the 5 years term. So this time we'll have to see that what happens next, because number of events, political events have taken place, from arrest of Soren to Champai Soren switching his boats to comments being made on infiltrators, comments being made by Congress leader Ghulam Ahmad Mir, then Congress protecting and attacking the BJP, then Rahul Gandhi's chopper being hauled. So all these issues, then the policies like Maiya Samman Yojana and Gogo Didi Yojana introduced by both the parties. But you see, the voting pattern over here in this particular area is quite significant. Since morning this has been the scenario. Since 7 a.m. people have been standing in line, coming out of their house and have come over here for voting.